Macarena, Tamariki Ma, Whānau and Kayako. It's great to see you again. How are you today? Ke te pai? Me too. I'm also really good. Now, Tamariki Ma, I thought today that we would read a puka, a book together. Would you like to do that? Ka pai. Today our book is called The Little Kiwi's Matariki. We know about Matariki too, don't we? I bet this is going to be a really exciting book. Let's go. The Little Kiwi's Matariki, written and illustrated by Nikki Slade Robinson. The little Kiwi woke up suddenly. Something was different. The moon shone deep into her burrow. Oh wait, it's coming! I must tell everyone. She rushed into the night. Wake up, Weka! Can you feel it coming? No, Cow, no, little Kiwi. That's just my puko tiare, my empty tummy rumbling. Go back to sleep. Kia tere, Weka, hurry! The little Kiwi ran on. Weka yawned, oh, and hurried after her. Oh, who's this? Get up, Ruru. Can you feel it coming? Cow, no, little Kiwi. That's just my mokopuna, my grandchildren coming home. Go back to sleep. Look at that big karu, their big eyes. Kia tere, Ruru, hurry! The little Kiwi ran on. Ruru, her mokopuna and Weka hurried after her. It's a big moon, big marmara. Wake up, Tui. Can you feel it coming? Cow. No, little Kiwi. I was just singing in my dreams. Go back to sleep. This is my favourite manu, my favourite bird, the tui. Kia tere, Tui. Hurry! The little Kiwi ran on. Tui, Ruru, her mokopuna, and Weka hurried after her. Wake up, Katipo. Can you feel it coming? Cow. No, little Kiwi. You just touched my silken web. Go back to sleep. Oh, it's a spider. Kia tere, Katipo. Hurry! The little Kiwi ran on. Katipo, Tui, Ruru, her mokopuna, and Weka all hurried after her. I wonder where they're going. Ay! Roar! The little Kiwi stopped. Oomph! Katipo, Tui, Ruru, her mokopuna, and Weka all crashed into Kiwi. Kia tupato! Be careful, little Kiwi! Katipo looked over Kiwi's shoulder. That's just Tawhirimatia, god of the wind, waiting for us. We know about Tawhirimatia, don't we, Tamariki Ma? He's one of the atuas on our back wall. The little Kiwi pushed through the pingao and stepped into the beach. Tawhirimatia gently ruffled her feathers. Everyone waited. There's Katipo, little Kiwi, Tui, Weka, Ruru, and her mokopuna. They all gasped. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, ka puta mai nā whetū Matariki, whispered little Kiwi. The light comes and the stars of Matariki. Wow. Matariki, said Weka. Time for kai. He pulled a fat hoo-hoo grub out of the driftwood. Matariki, said Ruru. Time for whānau. She hugged her family tight. Matariki, said Tui. Time for music and dance. He sang to the stars. Matariki, said Katipo. Time for fun. She flung her webbed kite high to catch the wind from Tāwhirimatia. Happy Matariki! And here's the photo of Matariki up here. Did you enjoy that book, Tamariki Ma? Wasn't that a wonderful story? We know a song about Matariki, don't we? Shall we do it together? Ka whai. Toru wha. Waitī, Waitā, Waipunarangi, Tupuānuku, Tupuārangi, Ururangi, Pōhutukawa, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, hey, Matariki, away! Waitī, Waitā, Waipunarangi, Tupuānuku, Tupuārangi, Ururangi, Pōhutukawa, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, hey, Matariki, away! Ano? Kapai, one more time. Waitī, Waitā, Waipunarangi, Tupuānuku, Tupuārangi, Ururangi, Pōhutukawa, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, eh, Matariki, away! Kapai, Tamariki! Tamariki Ma, I'm so proud of you. Okay, stay safe, look after your family and have lots of fun. Ka kite anō, see you soon!